Alright, we are listening to Meta Room, the Bad Room. What we were listening to previously was Jitter Fan, but now we're listening to, or Jitter Fanta. Let's see. And then this will just loop through Meta Room's discography. But alright, let's get back into this game. So this is the video game. Let's see. So since last time, I'll show the cool new feature that I've made since last time I streamed. I just remembered I was up until 2 in the morning doing this, but you see these? So, I got that little gem, and I got this little gem. Now if I sit down for a little bit, and then I go to sleep. Look at that, the gems are back. Because now it actually, oh my fucking god, it didn't get... This was the bug I spent like 6 hours trying to fix. Because basically it reloads the scene. Okay, cool. Epic. Well, I'm glad that that did not work. Okay, but basically there's a bug where if physics enabled is false at startup, it goes all screwy. And also these should not be here. Okay. Well, I'm glad to see that I spent like 6 hours doing this off stream and none of the work actually paid off. No, it's closer to 4 hours. See, this song is too much for me now. Now I'm mad. Because now I have to figure out what I actually did wrong. Okay, but basically, so one thing. Alright, actually, I know a cool technique that I can use. Let's go to a chunk. Let's go to chunk 2. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to thoroughly test whatever's going wrong here. So what is so I need a high putt. Single flat. Oh, and also I changed how the shading works, but I'll just show that off real quick. Basically, it just takes the normal of the object, and it's light on the top and dark on the bottom, regardless of the actual, like, well, not regardless of the environment, but by 2 different variables of the environment. So now it's this indirect light color and this color. So if I do like, look at that. I can set a pretty little gradient, do whatever I want here, and it's easy, it's fast in real time, so that way it works with the day-night cycle. I have a bowl of oatmeal with me, but I'm not going to eat it on stream. Or at least while I'm recording. Okay. But beautiful, perfect, very powerful. Then I won't get 130 errors. And I can really see, I don't know what's happening here. But okay, let's see what happened. So at startup, it's fine. So this is fine. This is cool. Even though this is literally exactly the same thing. So if we look at the script, when this starts up, we do load sync. We do what are we doing here? Okay, that's just getting the low res stuff, and that's adding this stuff here. Okay, that's fine. We do start loading chunks, load nearby chunks, load active chunks. And if we go to sleep, or wake up, load nearby chunks, load active chunks. Maybe it's the start loading function? But actually, sort custom, add preloaded. I guess I'll just put that in there. But okay. Go to sleep. Wake up. Everything's fucked up. This literally wasn't happening yesterday. I don't know how this is happening still. Also, these chunks aren't even... These chunks are straight up freed and then reinstantiated. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it literally unloads them right here. Like, okay, so if we go to the player... I changed how sleeping works. Because it yields for 1.5 seconds, then it does this stuff. Then it yields again. Then it does this again. And then it calls wake up. And also I'm going to make these less, because there's already a couple seconds, or there's a little bit of time when it does the wake up, because it has to reload all the scenes. But that's not going to do anything, or that's not going to help here. Maybe I'm going to put this in wake up. Or that again doesn't do anything, because my soft body, it basically yields for a full frame, then it yields for a little bit more than 0.1 seconds to make sure that basically, since the frame could take a little while if it's loading a bunch of stuff, and then this lets it take at least one more frame, hopefully, and then it disables the physics enabled. And that happens when this enter tree is called. Okay, actually, let's do print Turing tree. And let's do var ready equals false. Equals true. Print entering tree if not ready, else returning tree. Okay, so that's a bunch of stuff. So this is a fun thing to do. I was hoping to actually get some like level design done, but I think it's going to be 6.5 hours of this. So buckle in for the excitement. Hang on, I'm going to put on some actual music now, because I think meta room stuff is now too much for my brain. But I can put on, I don't know, what do I have? Rain World? I can put on Rain World. Alright, so now... Oh, cool. Oh, cool. This bug again. This bug. This is a cool bug, because this one, literally has no cause. It literally has no cause whatsoever. I'll show you the solution for this one. This one's pretty cool. This is a great bug, I think. And if you'll notice, an astute observer will have noticed that I didn't touch anything. That I didn't do anything to this code, or to this node, to break it, but I apparently have to do that to fix it. It's like... I have half a mind to just not implement... Like, I should probably just not implement these, honestly. Like... Oh yeah, cool. These ones broke too. Oh wait, hang on. Let's check flags. Oh, cool. Epic. I don't even think this is the related bug. This is just a different bug. Okay, I actually have a great idea. So I mentioned, potentially, cutting these. So... Thankfully, I've already filed a bug report, so you know, in 6 years they'll fix that for Godot 4 and not Godot 3. Alright, where's the flag? Yeah, we're having a mesh instance. Let's copy this mesh. Is this a tool? This should be tool. Set material. Set flag material. Thunk. Set material F if flag material and body. Alright, let's close this, reopen this. So now the flag's just gonna stay perfectly still. Alright, I forget how this flag is supposed to be oriented actually. But also, hang on, important thing here. Beautiful. Let's go to the hut bath as well. Goodbye. So I'll need to figure out a different way of providing privacy to these poor people as they use this, like, bath sauna thing. But see, that's what happens when the physics are bad. Now there's no privacy because of bad Bad soft body implementation. Okay, so actually, let's make sure. Oh, wait. Good. They've been expunged. They have been eliminated entirely. There is no such thing. Oh, wait, hang on. I have to... So these huts actually have a checkbox for, curtains. Oh, wait, no, that's the... Okay, that one's fine. Hut roof flat, no script. Hut roof single flat, no script. I'm also eliminating soft body. If I want to undo this change at any point, I'll just not, or I'll revert this commit. Okay, so there we go. Beautiful. It's everything a flag is supposed to be. I'll probably just make like a, I don't know, animation, a mesh. And I still want curtains here as well, but I'll just make them like pulled back or something. Or maybe I'll fake the physics somehow, because I don't need full soft body, and apparently Godot doesn't have full soft body, so this works out perfectly. I'll just make an animation or something. Because I have the same thing with my fake foliage. And now... my little hut's not here. What happened to it? This should be here. Did I teleport to the wrong place? No, I'm in the right place. Is there an arrow? Alright, cool. Alright, whatever. I'm glad to see that 4 hours of work to get the sleeping, reloading the scene without bugging these out was just a complete waste of time. But alright, let's actually do something fun. So I don't want to do particles. I might as well do that. Well, actually, now I have to do... okay, whatever. So basically, I had a conundrum in sort of game design where the player has the ability to place their own little checkpoints through the flag system. So if we... so yeah, like this flag. Basically... oh, cool. Okay, cool. Alright. Basically, when I respawn back here. God, this looks so terrible. I need something for the flags. This looks so bad. Oh well, whatever. I respawn here. And that's cool. That's all well and good. But if we go to, like, if we go into one of these buildings, I kind of don't want the player to set their own checkpoints in here, because it's meant to be, like, intentionally laid out challenges and things. So, like, you know, like if the... well, yeah, that's fine. So the checkpoints are already more frequent. So what I think I'll do is I'm going to make a new system where basically, well, in real life, if you have a solid metal floor, you can't really plant a flag into it. Oh yeah, the whole game is freaking out now because of this. Okay, that's cool. But this is fine. Basically, so I'm just going to make a little animation of the character trying to plant the flag and failing, and then I'm going to tag certain entities as being hard surfaces, so that way you can't plant a flag in them. Because I already have a system where it checks tags to make sure that it can plant into like or so that you don't plant onto like moving platforms or things that could damage you, or like enemies and stuff like that. So I can use a similar system, but now I can actually like tie it to a visual indicator, because like, for example, I can't plant a flag on here. Alright, never mind. I'm going home. I'm out of here. Alright, close all tabs. Let's just... This stream has bad energy. Alright, why the fuck does this not work? Groups. Well, that's probably the answer. I have that dynamic group to mean things that move, so the player... Yeah, now I can't press it on there, but I can place it here. But I think what I need to do is just have a different animation, so I'm going to do that now. Let's also see... So how does the player... Place... Flag. Okay, so I already do play custom. So what I think I'll do... Flag. Okay, action editor. Where is flag? Make a new one, place flag. Fail. You know, I think... Hang on, I know. I'm gonna try something that I saw someone else have. Where they have this. Actually, do I even need this thing? I mean, I guess that sets the start and the end. Can I set that from here? I can. It's like, what's the use for this thing? Because I can do, I'm pretty sure, everything here. Alright, so at this point, this animation is going to change completely. Oh, okay, cool. Let's do, really nice follow-through, or there's like really nice... Okay, so how do I do this? Maybe I can just put the whole character there. eventually, somehow. So it's going to go there. And then we're going to go to, like, Wait, also, hang on, I have a cool idea. I was thinking about this all last night. Ta-da! Now she looks respectable. Because now that bone has an actual, like, reasonable amount of density to it. Alright, so now she'll be like, here, and then like, this, and then like, okay, so does this doesn't really indicate, what do I want for her? Because I want it to be clear that she's like, she's hit her like shoulder. Oh, is this? Oh, okay. I'll move her a little bit more gracefully. And then this will like go way up actually. So I need, so this one, go down. This doesn't seem quite right. So what if I go boom, then Actually, I need, idle. So I need to copy this pose. Is this all the bones? I guess it's a lot more readable now that I don't have the... or now that I have more, like, shapes. Okay. Place flag failed. So I want this arm to really go out like this. And this one will like, I'm gonna make it so that her, like, feet, like, that looks terrible. That looks so bad. What am I doing wrong here? What is the pose that I want? So this is good, because it's still normal. And then she poses it down. Oh, this is not. Okay, so this is wrong. Because she should go like boom, and then it goes up, and then she like fails. So it like hits directly into the ground, so I think her body should actually continue forward a little bit, and then she should be like... maybe a little bit more like stable, I guess. What am I doing wrong? This looks awful. This is terrible. Hang on. So everything up to here. This all looks good. Then I'm gonna do copy this. Let's so I want her to be like let's just pose her. I'll also need to, like, have the facial expressions at some point. Also, let's bring her hair in. No, actually, let's not bring her hair in. It doesn't know what it's doing. So this was fine. I guess half the pose was fine. I just don't know how this is gonna, like, work into everything else. So I can just push up the shoulders. Like, I can just grab these and push them to make them move a little bit more than they're capable of naturally. And then this will be held a little bit higher. This is still not quite extreme. This is still just not really extreme enough. Maybe if I push, okay, that's what I was missing. I need to push her elbows inward, I think, because it's like a. And let's just move these back down. I think her back needs to be, like, straighter up. So let's just see what it looks like just holding this pose. Oh wait, I didn't do it right. Alright, so now we can actually start getting these a little bit more, like, reasonable, I guess, because this feels a little bit more clear that it's not, like, an actual, like, let's not have this one, actually. I don't like this. Wait, what did I do? So this needs to go down. So basically, boom. And then it like, so this needs to be higher, and this can be lower. And then this will be like the position that she maintains. Because this, yeah, so this is still like it's supposed to be. I think this should be a little bit more. Actually, it needs to go like, so this bounce should be way higher, and then it should be like, I know what I can do. I can make a fake, so I'm still thinking about what I can do for the flag to make it like rustle. And I can just add like fake IK to it like I do for, or the little IK thing that I do for everything else, or like her hair. Because I can just do like 2 bones or something on her, or on the flag. Is this right? I think that's actually too fast now. I know it's too fast. This is too fast. Let's make her shoulders come up on a delay. Actually, this one will come up first. Then her fingers and hands will be on a delay as well. Because, like, she doesn't know what's happening yet. Wait. Let's remove that actually. Wait, I've done something wrong. Hang on. This one is the one that I want to remove. And then let's get rid of this. And maybe a little bit more like, this. And I think this should be on a slight delay as well. You know, it's like there's a shockwave that goes through her body, so I need to... Okay. That seems good enough. Let's do, stash that. This layout is so much better. What is this? Hang on. Shouldn't be there. Oh, I just realized auto-record. The little auto-record thing isn't here. What I want. Where's my little timeline? Yeah, okay. I forgot about that. So yeah, these... well, this should not be here. Like, why is this here? Oh, it's... Okay, so that's fine. That was just that. And I wish there was a way to quickly go through these, because I want to make sure that nothing else has, like object transforms, but oh well, whatever. And someday in the distant future, I'll separate the mesh from the rig blend file. So that way I can save this separately and not cost like $1 billion. Why did I make her face separate from her pants again? I forget why I did that. Oh well. Because, like, they use the same material. Alright, that's fine. I really do want something to look a little bit better. Yeah, I know how to do that. Alright, where is player? Where is flag? Where is usable flag? So if can use player.best floor. I know. If so how do I do play custom? And in play. I think? No, wait, custom... I have something in here for, custom states. Locked waiting, maybe? Hmm. If, I know, mesh dot release item. I think this will be good. But basically, lock in animation, place flag failed. Did I call it failed or failure? Place flag failed. Okay. Otherwise, so now instead of it does a bit more complicated stuff. Let's see if this works. Oop. So I should be able to oh right, but by default I think sets me to it makes me flicker. And I know why I think that is. Maybe? So exit custom loop. No, I don't get that. Okay, so now it should at least show up a flag. Also, I'm gonna do I'm not a fan of how janky it looks. Hang on. Okay, let's tag everything. Oh, this is gonna be a pain, I think. Because I'm gonna have to go through... What if I just do one at a time? Or no, not one at a time. In a script. So I have my little... Also, I'm gonna move these into here. Because these are editor scripts. New script, add all to group. Ah, well, this will be good, I guess, for some instances by default. So let's do, for child in c.get children. Wait, I know. Alright, let's do like, I don't need to do any of this stuff, because I know what I'm going to use it for. For C in and get children. And, no, if n is static body, or n is n, so not n is, well, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. So I've now started running it. Hmm. Hmm. Actually, can't I just do, now, how do I do this? I'm pretty sure there's some sort of call multi-level. No, wait, no, this doesn't make any sense. I just realized. Okay. That was the bug. Because I was going to say, there's no way that I've made nodes that are so deep that it causes a stack overflow. Okay. Boom. Now it works. It doesn't work. I don't know, actually, if n is... No, wait. Is a collision object the right thing? Physics body. Well, yeah. Wait, this doesn't do anything. Okay. Oh, a non-void function must return a value. Oh, no, that's fine. Change 244 nodes. And I don't think I see that here. I do not. Oh, okay. Oh, this is much easier. Okay. Let's add a group. Okay, so let's, screw this. I think. Now let's manage groups just from here first. So I need to, mean, this is still pretty bad. Can I, like... Oh, yeah, I can do... Oh, yeah, I can do this. This is easy now, I think. Wait, did I accident... Huh? How did I some... Oh. Wait, weird. So are these now in here? Wait, these are fine. These... Wait, what the hell did I just do? I don't know what I just did. I think I did something wrong. Wait, this is so confusing. Do I just need to reload it? I don't get what's happening. No, this is definitely not. This is 100% not in this group. And it's not in here. Okay, there we go. So basically, it applied it, it just didn't apply it. Or the script doesn't work, basically. Another issue I should have thought of was, Alright, let's manage more groups. Well... No, actually, hang on. These rocks will not have the hard modifier. Well... I guess they'll have it. I may want to change how they're rendered to match this, though. Honestly, actually, maybe I should have done this the opposite way. Yeah, I'm going to do this the opposite way, now that I've done all this work. So let's just do if not save or flag surface. Because currently the only things that are flag surfaces are grass, dirt, and sand. And so if we go to the world, it'll be manage groups, static body. Every single static body will be in oh wait, no. Ah. Okay, cool. Cool. Forgot. Alright. And let's go to the shop. Wait, now where would it be? UI? Items? Descriptions, maybe? I have no idea where flags are. I'm getting a headache. Oh well. Basically, most things will not have flags. I can go to like here, for example, though, and like this garden soil. That's green, or that's grass. Wait, I put it in the wrong thing. And I'll fix those up. Like this bit of grass. I'll just say it's good enough. And then where is chunk? Just chunk. This will also be here. Okay, hopefully I didn't break a ton of stuff. Because it's very likely I did. And this still looks... So, I'm also going to tweak this animation because it looks very bad. So I think this hand needs to be... Yeah, this needs to be more, what is happening there. Ah, good enough. So eventually now I can remove hard and dynamic from groups, or the groups from the world, basically. But this will be a pain, because I'll have to... Ah, well. What is that? There's like a super jank. Hang on, let's teleport. Or like no clip up. What? There's not more. Oh, it's this fountain again killed me twice. Alright, what's this jank stuff? Actually, hang on. I can check with the terrain. Because it shouldn't jank out with the normal animation, because I didn't change it. I'm still so mad about the soft body stuff. I don't have the faintest idea what it is. Or why, like, things would stop attaching until I just did it again without me changing anything. Like, maybe I need to really go in with, like, the Git repository. So I need a little sound effect for that. That'll be good. Oh wait, I just realized I don't even know. Well, now it looks fine. Like out here, I mean, I guess the flag maybe is... Wait. Oh, I think I see. Oh, I get it. I get it now. Hopefully that looks good. Basically, it's jank because the flag and because the if we go to Jackie. So we're in idle mode now. And we need to be in... We're going to custom exit instead of custom animation. And this one I want place flag failed. Okay, there we go. What if I did this, that? Okay, so this should hopefully work a little better. Because now it's not going through the custom animations. Because that could also have weirder bugs. But actually, I might want to... I think there should never be an instance where it causes issues to do that, though. Okay, so that's fine. I mean, I guess I could just make a custom single fire node. This looks so terrible. Hang on. What is this even attached to? So it's the, grab? No, hold. Hold item. Skeleton hand right. Or... If I try... mesh... I know. I'm gonna disable... Oh, okay. Auto keying is disabled. I think I forgot I did that. That's good enough. So constraints, copy transforms. Or I guess let's change this. No, it's going to be parent. No, I know it will be copy transform. I'll just edit the mesh to make it match what it's supposed to be. Armature, hand, right. I think that's it. Object. So I have a dedicated bone for objects. Now what's the transform here? 90, 45. Is this... Oh, I see. Okay, I think that gets me what I want. So now we have, like, flag ref. And now I can go back through here. All right, hang on. Okay, that seems a little bit better. Let's hope I didn't put it at a 90-degree angle wrong from where it's supposed to be. But I don't think I did. It seems like it's pretty much exactly where it's supposed to be now. I can't believe I have to cut soft bodies. Ugh. So I think I could do like folded curtains, but then I'll have to do a different shader or like different material for them to fake like ambient occlusion of the fabric folds. For like the curtains on the huts and things. Because I still want that splash of color. I think for a more extreme optimization for some people, I could honestly like completely remove the sun, because I like this shading. And I could do something like that for the entire game, instead of having any lights, I guess. Or at least any, like, big directional lights. I mean, I guess that wouldn't save much from, like, shadows, for example. Okay, so... that looks very bad. It needs to go straight down. Okay, I need this in a different place. What can I put it in? Render, maybe? I don't need that. So yeah, it's gonna go straight down. Honestly, I super need to copy rotation from the bones, but I don't want to make I don't want to learn how to make drivers and all that complicated stuff. This feels so weak. Oh, I see. Because her body should be going down like that, and then it should come back up. Okay, you know what? I need to figure out how to make driver bones now. Because, let's see. Maybe I'll make a like control panel here, where things that are above 0 mean good, and things are on, and things below 0 mean off. Because it's gonna be copy rotation. Hand.r. Wait, no. Armature hand.r. Go from world space to world space. There we go. And by default, it'll be 0, and then there'll be a driver bone for that. I'll do the same here. Let's have and where's all my stuff? Body circle. That's not what I want. But root circle. That's what I want. No, actually I don't care. Let's do a plane. Oh wait, god damn it, hang on. Bases only. So we're gonna have a completely new set of bones here. We're gonna have what should these be called? DR. So these will be driver bones. And they will be also in here. And I guess these will be there. And I don't trust the symmetricification, whatever it is. Let's get this out of here. I don't need this right now. Actually, I do want this still. Bone shapes. That's good enough. Bone constraint, no. Visuals, is it good? Alright. Let's figure out how to add driver. So the driver property will be armature, bone, doctor, hand rotation right. Z location in local space? Oh, that's not quite what I want. Alright, that's coming along. Let's see about this driver. How do I edit the driver? Var times 5? Wait, what? Okay, that's good enough. Five. Armature. Doctor, hand rotation left. Z location in local space. I guess I could do transform space and see how that does, but maybe I won't. But okay, so now I have that. And for all animations now, I will set these as they are. Except for this single animation. And then eventually I can actually do that for everything. So these are here. Wait, what? Oh, okay, that's what I see. Alright, now I understand. And I have my cool thing. Okay, now let's go through every action that I've ever had. What the hell? So it typically is so good about... Yeah, there we go. So I have to just be, I guess, just up here, maybe? Somewhere? It's typically good about just automatically placing your cursor where the menu was last time, or the other way around. Aligning the option to your cursor. But sometimes I guess I'm just being too low. This, I don't want this. Who uses this? Okay, cool. I just duplicated it. That's epic. These empty actions that I can't delete because Blender doesn't allow you to delete things because it does it for you. Pretty much anytime you don't want it to delete something. Maybe I shouldn't have the root bone. Oh well. Or have it shelled to the root bone, but I don't care now. This is all perfectly fine. Actually, can't I just do... Wait, no, I can't do this because I can't paste. Okay. And pretty soon I'm going to make new jumping animations, because I want jumping animations for when the character is moving. That, like, have her, like, send one foot behind the other and actually, like, look like a jump. Let's have these for here. And I might redo both the jump, or both of the, what would you call it? Flag planting animations with this new thing In fact, I might redo a bunch of animations over time. But I also need an FK-IK switch, I think. And like space switching. Because I want also... I guess just... Well, I need to redo a bunch of these animations because I sort of have been designing them without knowing what I was doing. Or especially without knowing what I'm doing with the rig, and I think... What? Huh? Oh, these are bone... Okay, so these are bones that are no longer here. Okay, hang on. Let's go through and delete some old bones as well. So slide run. Spin kick. What the hell? Oh, right, okay. That's the everything button. Okay, so now we can go to flag. Place flag failed. Actually, let's go here. And I'll have these, wait, what? Oh, right. I need that back. Give me that back. Where's my timeline? Hi, I'm working on a planting flag animation, but I had to break the hands of the character and break all the animations for it. Because now I actually have nice little proper targeting stuff. Let's do this and this. So this gives me plenty of control. Yeah, so now I need to like... Well, actually... Hang on, I'm not going to fiddle with this hand. Yeah, because that hand's fine. This hand's the one that I want to change. And I want, Actually, let's just have this start from here. That way, I can just rotate this to where I want it to be. Yeah, now I actually have, like, proper stuff for this. Oh, what the heck. Hang on. It's very slowly. Let's just get these, like, vaguely right first, and then I'll figure out. Actually, let's have this, so here. There we go. Now let's see if I can copy the rotation. Okay, this looks way better. But now it won't match the other animation. But that's okay, because I'll just fix that one. Actually, let's just do that now, because it'll take forever to re-import this thing. Whoop. Yeah, because this will do exactly the same thing as before. Let's just make it, like, right there. Now let's have this go back to here. And now I can actually place these, so this will be like, then there. Okay, that looks good enough. So I need to remember, I think there's something in here. No, it's in player. Flag. Let's see, I guess several years now. I don't know. Oh man. I don't know when I first started. I guess it's probably been like 10 years. Because I'm still using the old bindings as well. And I don't know when they switched those, like the key bindings, like right-click to select things and stuff. Yeah, this is definitely the most advanced rig that I've made, which is not saying much, but I think she could do with a little bit more like fun here. Like this pose is kind of lame now. You know, like I want it to be like this. Thanks. Yeah, I think this one was a pretty good one. Because I think I tried to emphasize the keyframes more, and I think I need to do that more with the other animations as well. Like, I need to go back in with them. Definitely more technical, I think. Because... Thanks, yeah. Yeah, because there's especially a lot of the early animations in the game. I need to go back over them again, because I'm sort of, I guess, still learning as I work. But I want to also get Jackie to get actual fingers and maybe do even more work on the rigging before I go back in. But then again, I guess it's okay. It'll at least be good enough for the demo. Alright, now let's see these in action. So I have two. I have this one, which I think I could do a bit more with. I mean, because it's supposed to indicate that the surface is too hard for the player to place a flag into. So yeah, I need to... That one I can exaggerate a bit more. That one's okay. But I think I'll make it, do the same as the other one. Or, what should I do? I guess it's fine. Yeah, that's pretty up to date. I don't advertise it too much anymore. Hang on, I'm gonna lower that music a bit. Yeah, I think it's up to date as of like yesterday or something. But it's pretty difficult to build because you also need my version of Godot, because I also have done a bunch of modifications to the engine. Yeah, that's the Jackie underscore 3.x branch. Let's see, what else was I doing? Yeah. Yeah, I'm using if we go to I'm using this branch on my repo. In fact, I don't have, let's see, what are these? Oh, right. That was I have a new shader that I was showing off, my simple little environment shader. So this isn't actually using a sky, this is using just 2 colors. So that way it works in real time with the day-night cycle. So I just have this color for the top, this color for the bottom, and it works decently well. It's inspired by something called gooch shading, which is basically this, except you also have very thin outlines to model like technical drawings. Because the goal of it was to make it basically so you can see all of the detail of a shape. Let's see, and what else am I doing? Wait, I'm gonna fixed see, what else do I need to do today? Can't place flags, that's good. Sound effects and particles when enemies take damage when Jackie lands. I won't do that. I want to do more stuff in the valley and making stuff less common. Because basically, actually, I'm going to cordon off the area that's going to be in the demo. Sit here. Thanks, yeah. Yeah, so it's basically replacing the skybox texture because it's not compatible with the real-time stuff, or with the day-night cycle. So basically, if I tried to update the regular sky, it would run at like 10 FPS when the day-night cycle is actually running. So I have basically like fake environment mapping. Like if we go here, oh, the actual skybox that's being used is a completely fake thing. So I think I can just do this. Maybe. Where's this little thing? Depth draw never. Well, I don't know where it is. But it's just a sphere. I think. Yeah. Instead of... And it just has 2 gradient textures that it interpolates between instead of doing all of Godot's like procedural sky stuff, because that has to like bake it to a texture, and that was what was taking so long. Let's see, and I'm gonna... So the little area that the player is gonna be in... that doesn't help. This will be demo. Boundary demo. So that way it's at the top. What on earth? Why is this so slow? Let's actually get this. Yeah, so this will be. You know what? I'll throw in the gravity gun for free. Yeah. Yeah, Godot 4 has the right idea with that. Oh, nice, yeah. Yeah, I think especially the early streams, I do a lot of the because the basic gameplay is done in like 2 weeks. So that could be good to look through for like tips and stuff. And then it gets much, much slower after that. Just from like content and bug fixes and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, and it's to be honest, it's mostly just because I want to work on the game, and I basically can't get motivated to work on it without streaming. So I don't mind if there's not much of an audience for it. Let's see, is this? Yeah, this is where I want to be. Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, I completely screwed up the audio on the actual first stream. And then I screwed up the audio again when I was trying to demonstrate it in the stream because I accidentally just had it completely muted for some reason. Yeah, I might someday release the actual first stream because it does actually set up the movement. I guess so. For me, at least, the motivation it gives me is just from the I guess just the expectation to perform, since it's easy for me to get distracted by things, and also just having a schedule, because, you know, like I try to stream 7:30 or 5:30 to 8 most weekdays, and then like 8 hours on Saturday. And those would not be things that I would do normally. Let's see, and I'm also going to get my demo. Oh, okay. I forgot to, So the albedo will be white. Alright, so this looks a little bit too big. Yeah. And I think I do now work much more off stream. Or I guess I've gone sort of back and forth on it. Sometimes I'll work a lot off stream, but sometimes it's only the streams. And I just can't get motivated outside of them. So they have been a good, like, minimum amount of productivity. And then when I want to take breaks, I can just explicitly set, like, okay, I'm gonna, not stream and not work on the game for, like, 2 weeks. And do something else. And not worry about it. I won't. Actually, do I want this thing? Oh, I guess I should, I'll need to not have half this level. Hang on. And I guess I'll keep this level in here. Alright, I won't fiddle with that too much. Oh wait, I just realized I actually do need to fiddle with that, because this needs to be, collision. Oh wait, I need to, and I'll copy this. Actually, let's save this. So I'll need to revise this area as well, because it's completely, my little gravity gun level kind of sucks. Well, no, actually. I'll leave it for now. I won't re-export it this stream, but I'm not going to actually have this now that I think about it. Too much work. I'll just a little tiny sampler of, like, what is this, 9 chunks or so? That's fine. Uh-oh. Oh well. Let's actually get this working. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it's easy to, like, kneecap your productivity with, like, especially for me, I get like bogged down with the technical details of things, and then I just don't want to work on it anymore. So I've started, like just today, I was dealing with soft body, so I just completely cut soft body anything from the game. But alright, let's see if this actually, like... Oh wait, the world's gonna be completely screwed up because of the... Like I say, I'm re-exporting for like the 5th time. Let's see. I guess having smaller sub goals and also being willing to be like, whatever, like, I'm not gonna, um, like, deal with certain things. Or, what do I mean? Exactly. I'll have to think about this. I guess just being willing to cut things that are making me mad is a good one, and also keeping in mind what I want the central like thesis of this game to be, because there's a few different like specific goals that I have with this game. Like I want it to have a particular movement and a particular like methodology of level design, and I also want it to have like the interaction between the plot and the structure of the game. And those are things where any feature that I'm working on, I can be like, does this actually enforce the thing that I... Like, how much effort should I put into this relative to, like, how much it enforces the main point of the game? What the hell is this? Where am I? What is this? Path... Glass... Oh my god. It's because I accidentally broke this thing. Okay, let's see if these demo boundaries actually, like, boundary the right places. So if I try to go too far this way, there should be a wall that comes up. There is a wall, but it's not rendering. I just realized what it is. Demo fence. Yeah, I don't know. I guess momentum is also something that I've struggled with a lot, because I have a lot of incomplete game projects. Because this is easily the furthest I've gone with an actual project. Alright, let's see. There we go. Still very big. So let's just, I won't bother exporting that for now. In fact, I should probably not have it on this side of the mountain, because that means that the player will, like, or could get stuck, like, in here. Yeah, like, the player literally can't go anywhere now. Yeah, so this little area, I'm going to start building out stuff here. Because I want more, like, little platforming challenges and things. Yeah, I think you nailed it with what I was trying to say there. Yeah, and it's very easy to get, I guess, very headstrong about things. Like a lot of the features I've put the most work into don't really reinforce any of the things that I described. Like I've spent a lot of work getting like shadows running performant or with good performance, but it's like I could just disable shadows entirely and the game would not like die from that. But instead I've obsessively like designed things or like I don't know, worked on the performance of it and endless tweaking of things. Because I suppose in cases where, like, you're doing something that's harder or that most people don't do because it's hard, that can be noticed and appreciated by players, but it's important to also keep it in perspective of, like, a holistic view of what you're creating, which I often fail to do. Let's see. So for a lot of these things, okay, let's start just, I guess, narrowing down what I'm going to work on. So here, let's get this debug. So this is now the world that I'm within. Oh yeah, so one thing I have to do. Fix. Place moving sideways. Move player to foot. So I need more stuff here. Let's also go, how do these fit together? $124, $125, $113. Yeah, yeah. Basically, I use I just change the engine whenever I can't get like an obvious intended way to do something. Like I'm sure I could have done this like ambient light stuff through just adding it as a parameter to all of my materials and then like going through the scene tree and updating every single material manually through like GD script, but that seems like it'd be really slow, both in terms of actually implementing it and like performance. So it was just so it was just easier to like modify the engine for that. And there's also little things like ray casts no longer hit the back of faces, which was a thing that I needed for ledge grabbing, and I could theoretically maybe figure out a workaround, but I don't need a workaround. I can just like do it the way that I want it to work. Let's see, do I want in here? Well, what? Okay. First off, I guess I should think about what I'm doing. So I'm gonna reduce the number of bugs everywhere. Reduce the number of gems everywhere. Now there's only gonna be like one or two in like Maybe like per chunk even. And I don't need like 100 billion bugs. Or gems. And I'll keep that one. And here, I'm just gonna like delete like every other gem. Because I just went kind of nuts with these, and I don't need them. I guess I do actually want this one, though. I'll keep that there. And that one's okay. C sharp. Yeah, that's been my, or that's the reason that I stick with GD script pretty much. Because there are performance issues with it, but it's just really nicely integrated. Yeah, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. Feels like this bounding box is a lot bigger than it needs to be. In fact, nothing seems to have shrunk it. I'll just put those back then. Oh well. Oh yeah, I need like... You know what? Let's get rid of literally all of these gems. Well, maybe not these ones, but The reward there is 2 bugs. So yeah, this is kind of like ridiculous. I'll just put 1, maybe like here. Let's completely remove every single one of these pickups. And also the hover scooter, I think, maybe? I'll remove the hover scooter as well. Oop. So here we've got 3 beautiful bug pickups. And I did have a bug pickup I liked that was like right in here. And I should actually like weigh over if this is a good addition still. Because I mean, it's kind of not. Why does this not have like a rectangle around it? Okay, why didn't I not just... So this one, I can add just 1 more point. It's right there. Oh, right. Okay, so that explains that. I need something up here. A little platforming challenge or something. Maybe a cave. I know. I'll make a cave that connects these two. That'd be cool. And then maybe a cave that comes out here. Alright, and here I still need to make this better. Let's get these gems. Oh, right. I don't need any of these. That bug's okay. I don't need two here. Because I've sort of swapped the economy of these from like Jak and Daxter precursor orbs to Celeste berries is sort of my go-to now. You know, friendship ended with Jak and Daxter, now Celeste is my best friend. It's like here, like, I don't know, maybe like, I guess I can put one. Because you can aggro this guy. Or you can sneak behind him. And that one's okay. This one's okay as well. Okay, so I want stuff here the player can do. Stuff here. I still haven't done anything with this house. And I'll keep those two bugs there. Alright, another lovely thing that I forgot to move in my refactor like 6 months ago. And a coat, why not? Oh wait, no, the gravity gun level is not part of this anymore. Actually, I should make this whole tower probably a separate chunk. Ah, well, it's too late. And plus, it takes up so much of this space that it's basically like the entire thing. And I can always do what I want to do, which is make basically the active entities, I want to eventually get it so each of these nodes in this active entity is added separately to the scene based on its like bounding box. Unless it's not, you know, unless it's like this, a door. But basically, then I could control each of these individually. And like this one. Oh, right. There's like an insane number of them here. Yeah, two's good there. I guess this is the very earliest, like, tutorial area. So I should be, I guess, generous-ish. Ah, well, that'll be fine. Also, to give the player, like, lots and lots of collectibles in here, and then they really dry up. Alright, but I think I'm done with this. I'll export it once more. And it is 8:20, so I'll probably be out of here. I don't feel like I've done a whole lot. But I guess I've done this. Sort of. Fake flag physics curtains. Alright. That seems all good. Fine and dandy. Perfect. So I've done... Well, I've cut a feature. We will no longer have advanced cape physics. I'm really glad I didn't put the soft bodies on the NPCs. Because I'd been thinking about it since I already manually modeled them with the little capes. So I'm glad that I didn't try to actually do that. Because, yeah, I mean, I tried so long. I even filed a bug report with the, on Godot. Or Godot's GitHub page, I should say. But okay. Tomorrow, I guess, I'll start working on fixing the tutorial, because basically, I want the player to spawn probably like right here instead. Because right now, they're a little too close to the medium. It gives them, I think, a little... Well, actually... I don't know if I want the player to learn the movement tech. Well, yeah, actually I do. Because this is like a second tutorial, but it teaches you only more advanced things. Like, you have to learn climbing first to get around the fence. And I have to fix those multi-mesh bugs. But okay. Yeah, basically, I want the player to spawn maybe in, like, this house. Maybe I'll flip this house around and have it be, like, here. And then you come out and you see that white building and you see this kid. And the bug with him is he runs sideways. I forgot that I had music here. It's terrible music, though, so I'm going to cut it from the game. I'll use, the songs that I made for the, my first devlog are pretty good. I'll probably use one of those, or, like, repurpose it and rearrange it. But yeah, he's, like, running at a complete right angle to how he's supposed to. And I was thinking, because I thought at first that I might have to move him, and then I would have to, like, probably make him use an actual AI instead of what he does right now, which is basically just... He moves along like a fixed path, which is terrible. But I don't have... oh, excuse me. I don't have any sort of AI system for them to, like, navigate the world. But I'm not going to create one. At least not yet. Actually, I should probably be pretty confident in saying that I'm not going to make them capable of, like, jumping around, maybe. Well... No, I guess I can't commit to that. There are still scenarios I want where characters should actually, like, move or do anything whatsoever. I guess I could try to kind of pantomime it. But yeah, right now, all they do is stand still, unless I explicitly tell them to move and, like, draw the path myself. So I'd like to do that better. Oh, a little bug. Wait, this thing doesn't work anymore. God damn it. I broke everything. Like, it's so annoying. How do I keep screwing things up? Because I literally... Yeah, okay. Material. Environment. Stone? Is it... what is it? New... What do I have, even? Oh, wait, no, this should work. Why didn't this work, then? Yeah, this should be... Yeah, this should work just fine. Why the hell did that break? Yeah, now it should be like, hello? Alright, let's make this the last bug that I fixed today. Completely 100% self-inflicted because I accidentally deleted the script and apparently screwed up everything. And that was, what, just this morning? No, it wasn't even morning. It was like 3 hours ago. I hate video games. Oh my god, it still doesn't work. Literally, hang on. Alright, set enabled. Okay, so we do that. How do I step over 11? What the where the hell am I? Okay, cool. Alright, hang on. Let's try this one more time. So F11 apparently just steps wherever it wants to step. F10. If is inside tree. What is this? This isn't a breakpoint. This isn't where I broke the point. Oh, it's okay. I see why. It's because I wasn't inside the tree. If C is light, C visible equals light enabled. If dark material, else. Surface material. If M. Okay. M surface enabled is enabled. Oh, wait. Hang on, okay. That's a little too much. There's too many things. Alright, what is wrong here? So this is enabled. Operation. Multiply? Operation add. What if I do this? That's too much. So we have the texture. And this is... Did I set this wrong? Mesh instance furnace. And this is material 1. Emission enabled equals light enabled. Oop. So there should be a glass furnace in here. There isn't. No, it is. Okay, there is. So it should... I didn't change anything. I didn't change anything. I didn't change a fucking thing. What, was it because I enabled it? Hang on. This isn't correct. Alright. Let's go to 124. No, 112. And I'm going to, in my incredible bravery and cleverness, disable it. And so it looks like it works. So, through absolutely no changes to the material, Now the material doesn't... I mean, I guess it's an easy workaround. Just have the material emission texture set. But that isn't... That's not true. That's not valid. Alright, whatever. That's the video game. That's video games. So let's go. I'm gonna do all my epic commit stuff. And I guess tomorrow I should actually do some level design. That could be fun. And what else can I do? Probably find more bugs that make me angry and do those. See you.